yeah, it's a label printer, and I agreed to do a review on this because I thought I could actually use this. This will come in handy for some of my storages that I have around here with no labels on them. They could do with some labels on. So when they approached me and said, would you like to do a review on this little printer, I thought, that's a good idea. I need something like this. It's not expensive neither. And as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Now, I did ask for the pink one, and I believe it comes in 3 different colours. I did read it somewhere, or several different colours actually. Let me just check. 5 different colours, right? But I chose the pink one. I thought, yeah, be a bit different. So this is it. Oh, I don't know if there's supposed to be anything in there, but there isn't. So a little lanyard, yeah? So you don't drop it, instructions, USB to USB Type-C connection, some spare printing label thingy jiggies. It even shows you which way to put them around. Very good. Oh, okay, get that out of the way. Now it also says it's quite easy to set up as well. Hopefully it is. So that is it. And it takes approximately 2 hours to do full charge. So your lanyard will go in there. I'm not going to be using that. USB obviously will go in there. That is your cutter, I believe, for cutting the actual tape off. And power on off button. PRT, little indicator there of some sort. Looks like there's one there as well. And your reels. Now I did see a little video that said just push that up like that. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm not sure which way round that goes, but I'm guessing it goes that way and then through there. Although I thought it might have gone the other way, but yeah. Let's try a blue one. I'm not even going to read the instructions. I'm going to have a go and see if I can mess it up. So that would go, definitely go in there, wouldn't it, like so. And then that would come around like that. And then that would go in there, somehow.
Moments later.
Ah, there you go, just a little bit sticky, getting it in. Let me do it again. It just gets caught up on something. Yeah, push it down, job done. Put the lid back on. That just slides down like that. Yeah, ready to go. I'm going to pull that through a little bit. I'm going to cut that. Voila. Configuring. Now I've already downloaded the app just to save a little bit of time, and it's called Salt Ticker. See that? Can you see that? Salt Ticker. Click on that. Choose your model, and it's this little cutie. Switch model, continuous paper, gap paper, scan. Okay, let's turn it on. We have a green light. Now you must make sure you've got your Bluetooth turned on in the first place, which mine is. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's right, we want that, and add device. There you go, allow. It's doing a search. It's found it. Connecting, power, allow access to contacts and call logs. Why would you do that? I don't get that one. It's a printer, prints labels out. Doesn't need to make a phone call, does it? Right, so it's all connected, and you have to select what it is. So we have continuous paper, gap paper, and scan. Now you can scan the Q code on here, and it will give you more templates. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Click on that, go like that, and oh, voila, job done. Then go to edit. I don't know what edit does. Oh right, takes you there, takes you back there. So now it thinks I've got the pink one connected, which I haven't, but it doesn't matter. Right, bubble. What does bubble do? Nothing at the moment. Go back. Edit. Stickers. We like stickers. Oh look, no relevant data found. Does that go in there or something? Nope. So you might have to download stickers and things like that. Colour. Sort of pinky colour, wasn't it? That colour there. A pen or erase. Oh right, so you can draw. Yeah? Okay, erase. Just like magic. Job done. That's pretty good, isn't it? Let's go back. Right, text. This is what it's really for, isn't it? So text, you need to double click in now. We need to delete that and we're going to add our own label. Now what am I going to call it? I'm going to call it my first label. Can you add a little image? You can. My first label, press OK, and voila. Now you can move it about to get in the right position. You can shrink it, like so, or enlarge it, like so. And that works extremely well. I'll make that a little bit smaller. Put it round about there. Happy with that? Click on print. It will give you a preview. Not sure about that, but here's my first label, so we're going to give it a go. Yeah. Click on print. And my first label. Oh, there you go. Cut. And voila. Job done. It was easy. When it worked. It was really easy. Now, I have been playing about with it before I started filming because I wanted to make sure I had a good idea of how it worked. And it did mess about a bit, especially when I started printing and kept coming up and saying, insert paper. And I thought it was already in there. So it was messing about, but it seems to be working fine. If you want to do images, it will take images from your phone and not images for download, as far as I understand. It can do barcodes, apparently. Not tried that. You can do lines. Not tried that neither. Date. Graffiti. Oh, and by the way, if you want to get rid of anything, just click on the little X's. Yeah? Like that one. There's a little X there. Job done. That line, get rid of that. Job done. Stickers. Now it is stickers anyway. I'm not sure what you need to do there. Hello? Hello? What's loading up here? Year of the Rabbit. Okay. Recently used. Festivals. Right, so you've got to click on the sidebars. Oh, Merry Xmas, I like that one. So get rid of... No, I'll keep the bunny. I want to see what it comes out like. I'm going to do print. Yeah, what it looks like. And see what she comes out like. Oh, that's nice and colourful. Well, black and white. That's very nice. Look at that. Now, it does have a sticky back. Look, if you go like that, you can just have half a sticky, so just the bottom half, or you can have it all sticky, which I thought was quite nice. Ta-da! Merry Xmas. Right, and I do know you can do other things with this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Job done. Right, what else we have? Bubbles. Let's go back to bubbles. Recently used bubble 1. So we there you go. Bubble 1. So little bubbles. I'm going to go for, I like that one actually. Downloading. Doesn't take long to download, does it? Double click. Right, not sure if that's going to fit in there like that, so might have to do a bit of editing like that. How's that? That looks better, doesn't it? Press OK. That's better. Shrink it up a bit, move it about. That looks like it's almost in. That looks like it's in. Go to print so you get a preview. Need to go to the office tomorrow. How's that look? Yeah, pretty good. See what she prints out like. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Cut it. Voila. And you can't smear it neither because it's not ink. Yeah, can you see that? That's pretty good. Now, like I said earlier, I did have some trouble with it. It was messing about for whatever reason, saying it was out of paper, but it wasn't, even though I've put it through. And I think it's just the way you do it. If you don't do it in the right order, it gets a bit confused. Like if you have it on and then you change paper, it seems to confuse it a little bit. Let's go back again, continuous. Images. I know we've done this, but is there any other way of doing images? Please select. It says, oh right, only does my images, so I'll leave that. Bubble stickers. Let's have a look at stickers again. Year of the Rabbit. What's it? Festivals. Oh, frame. Ah, look at frames. Cool. Essentials. Soap. Ah, yeah. So you can put on, say for instance, you've got a little jar for your soap or something, you put on there, this is soap. Sprays. Very good. Icons. Go for icons. Thinking about it. Ooh. So these are probably just downloading as you click on them. Kitchen. That's a good one, ain't it? Kitchen. Must be loads of people who want to do things in the kitchen, but or label things in the kitchen, like, you know, utensil drawer or something like that. Or food. You know, this is where I'll keep my chicken, you know. Now you can use these to turn it, like so, and you can use this to make it bigger. We can just go like that. Right, text, graffiti, barcode. What's a barcode? How does that work? Oh right, so you've got to download it or scan it. Okay, I see. Q code, barcode, okay. Bubbles. Lots of bubbles. Stickers. Kitchen.
6.5 hours later.
Very easy to use. It is a little bit fiddly, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a little play about of it for a few days, see how I get on, and then I'm going to tell you what issues I've had, if I like it or not. Right, verdict time. But before we go down the verdict time, I just want to point something out. Like I said earlier, it did play up a little bit, and I think I sussed it. I think I know why it was playing up, and it was down to the battery life. I should have fully charged it, which I didn't, and it was down to about 20 to 30%, and it started playing up, and I think, well, why is it playing up? But since I've charged it up, I've had no more issues. So, sorted that one. Perfect. It's been running very well since. I've got no issue with it. I don't even mind the colour, actually. Yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. Easy to set up and easy to use. The only downside is, and it's only a minor one, is if you change the papers halfway through before they run out, you need to put some sellotape on them. Otherwise they go bing and it unravels. So I had to take that one up because I used part of it and then I wanted to swap it over to try out different ones or different colours. I haven't used this one yet, the pink one. I've got the blue one in there at the moment and I quite like the blue one. And yeah, like I said, it works perfectly. Now, one of the things I do like, and I thought that's a brilliant idea, you know it comes with a lanyard. Yeah, you put it in there and you put it around your wrist and you're walking around the shop and you're printing out labels. It's very light, it can fit in your pocket easily, or you can put it around your wrist, walk around if you're in a shop or an office environment or something like that, and you need to label things up. You get your phone out, you go to the app, you type out whatever you need, or a little picture or something, unstick it and stick it. And the other thing I liked, which I do find on some of the other printers I don't like, what I do like about this as well is the fact is if you put the label on slightly in the wrong place, you can just peel it off and reapply it again without it tearing. And I thought, oh, that's really good, because I've done that. I've done a few labels, and when I put them on, I had a couple that weren't quite right and it was annoying me. So I peeled them back off and I thought they were going to tear, but they didn't, and then I reapplied them. I thought, ah, brilliant, perfect. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. For the amount of money it costs as well, it's dirt cheap. Yeah. As always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out, or in case you want to buy one. They might be affiliated links, but it doesn't cost you any more money, even if you go there direct without going through my link. It just gives me a little tiny kickback. And if you enjoyed this video or any of my videos, why not subscribe? You know, help me out. I'm helping you out, you help me out. All you need to do is subscribe. Oh, and give me the thumbs up. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.